Hi, this is Dr. Kevin Tomassini with Spinal Performance here at Core Collective, and today we're going to do a short demonstration of what's a flexion distraction adjustment. A flexion distraction is a chiropractic technique to help people with these issues like slip disc, disc herniations on the lower back or in the neck, and scoliosis patients. This table is going to flex and create a pumping mechanism on the joints and traction, stretching of the joints of the spine and the muscles. So we're going to start by palpating the spine and palpating the joints and doing different stretches in different angles. That will let me know where is the restriction on movement and where we need to concentrate on the work. This technique doesn't hurt, it's pretty gentle, and actually you will feel a relief on the lower back whenever you have these issues. This is a good way to avoid surgery of the spine. Okay, right now I'm palpating the joint and creating the pumping mechanism with the table on the disc. I'm going to do a bit of stretch of the neck as well. Everything with the motion of the table. And then we're going to lower down the thoracic piece to concentrate the stretch more on the upper, lower back, and mid back. Now we're going to go to the sides. So depending where's the bulge of the disc, we go to different sides. And if you have scoliosis, this is a good way to work on your curve. So this table moves side to side. That will cause stretch of the spine and the muscles of the side. So right here I'm working on the right side. And I will move the table to look for more restriction, to see what side is more restricted. I'll be palpating the joints and adjusting the joints that aren't moving properly. And the session should last between 10 to 15 minutes. After the session like this, you will feel more movement, less pressure on the nerve, less tension on your muscles, much more relaxed. So if you have these issues or scoliosis, this is a great treatment to improve your condition. Okay, so again, this is Dr. Kevin Tomassini with Spinal Performance here at Core Collective.